Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a special story that will touch your heart and inspire you. So, stay with me till the end, and let's begin. Lily was a little girl. She lived in an orphanage. She did not have a mother or a father. She was alone in the world. The orphanage was a big house with many children. But Lily always felt lonely. Every night, she looked at the sky. She saw the stars. She thought, maybe my mother and father are watching me from the sky. Lily was kind. She helped the other children. She shared her toys. She smiled even when she was sad. But deep inside, she wanted a family. She wanted a mother to hug her. She wanted a father to hold her hand. One day, a couple came to the orphanage. They wanted to adopt a child. The other children were excited. They wanted a family too. Lily sat in a corner. She did not hope. Many people came before. They never chose her. The couple looked at the children. They talked to them. They smiled. Then they saw Lily. She was sitting alone. She was reading a book. "What is your name?" the woman asked. "My name is Lily," she said softly. "What are you reading?" the man asked. "A story about a little girl who finds a home," Lily said. The woman looked at the man. They smiled at each other. "Do you want a home, Lily?" the woman asked. Lily looked down. She was afraid to hope. "Yes," she whispered. The couple talked to the caretaker. They wanted to adopt Lily. Lily's heart beat fast. Is this real? She thought. After many days, the papers were ready. The couple came back. "Lily, we are your new parents," the woman said. Lily's eyes filled with tears. "I have a family now?" she asked. "Yes, my dear," the man said. "You have a home." Lily hugged them. She cried. But they were happy tears. She left the orphanage. She had a new home. She had a mother. She had a father. She was not alone anymore. But life was not easy. She was afraid at first. She did not know how to live in a house with a family. She woke up at night. She thought, maybe this is a dream. Maybe I will wake up in the orphanage again. Her new parents were kind. They gave her time. They loved her. Slowly, Lily felt safe. She started calling them Mom and Dad. They smiled. They hugged her. They made her feel special. One day, Lily asked, "Why did you choose me?" Her mother said, "Because you have a kind heart. And we love you." Lily smiled. For the first time, she felt complete. She was not just an orphan. She was a daughter. She was loved. Years passed. Lily grew up. She was happy. She never forgot the orphanage. She visited often. She played with the children. She told them, "One day, you will find a home too. Never lose hope." Lily worked hard in school. She loved learning. She wanted to help others. She studied medicine and became a doctor. She wanted to take care of sick children. She wanted to give them hope, just like she once received. She opened a hospital for children. She helped many orphans. She gave them food, shelter, and education. She told them, "I was like you once. You are not alone. You can have a bright future too." Lily's parents were proud. They watched her grow into a strong and kind woman. They knew they had made the right choice. One day, while working at the hospital, Lily met a young doctor named James. He was kind and passionate about helping children, just like her. They worked together, treating sick children and making a difference in many lives. Over time, they became close friends. James admired Lily's strength and compassion, and Lily found comfort in his kindness. As they spent more time together, their bond grew stronger. James understood Lily's past and always supported her. He encouraged her to continue her mission, and together, they started new programs to help orphans. Their love for children brought them even closer. One evening, after a long day at the hospital, James took Lily to the orphanage where she once lived. He held her hand and said, "Lily, you have changed so many lives. You have given love to those who needed it the most. Now, I want to give you love too. Will you marry me?" Tears filled Lily's eyes. She had never imagined finding someone who understood her so deeply. "Yes," she whispered, smiling through her tears. They got married in a beautiful ceremony, surrounded by the children they had helped. Together, they continued their work, opening more hospitals and orphanages. Lily was no longer alone. She had a loving husband, a family, and a purpose. Years later, Lily and James adopted children of their own. They gave them the love that Lily once longed for. Their home was filled with laughter, warmth, and happiness. They taught their children kindness, just as Lily had learned. Lily also started a scholarship fund for orphan children who wanted to study, but had no means. She visited orphanages and listened to children's dreams, making sure they had the support to achieve them. She worked day and night, never letting a child feel abandoned like she once did. One day, an old woman came to her hospital. She looked frail and weak. When Lily asked her name, the woman hesitated before whispering, "Emma." Lily felt something inside her stir. "Emma, my name was given to me by the orphanage. Do you know anything about my real family?" she asked. The old woman nodded slowly, tears falling from her eyes. "You are my granddaughter. My daughter, your mother, she loved you so much. She wanted to give you a good life, but she was too sick. She left you at the orphanage, hoping someone kind would take care of you. She never stopped loving you." Lily's heart ached. Tears streamed down her face. She had spent her whole life wondering about her parents, and now, in front of her was a piece of her past. She held Emma's hand tightly. "You are not alone anymore. I will take care of you." Emma smiled, her face full of relief. "You have become a wonderful woman. Your mother would be so proud." Lily's journey had come full circle. She had found love, built a family, and helped countless children. She had turned her pain into hope, her sorrow into love. She had proved that even the loneliest child could grow into someone strong and kind. Lily's story was one of hope, resilience, and love. She was an orphan. But she found a family, a successful career, and a loving partner. She turned her pain into kindness and changed the world for the better. And she was never alone again. So friends, if you feel inspired by this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.